Are you planning to use NVIDIA Jetson AGX Orin as the processing platform for your autonomous embedded vision system? Then we got the right camera for you! Introducing Ecam82 CUO AGX, a 4K Sony STARVIS IMX485 based camera for NVIDIA Jetson AGX Orin. Ecam82 CUO AGX is designed to meet the increasing need for AI-based applications that require a camera to serve images and videos for intelligent video analytics. One of the key features of this low-light camera is that it comes with a 1x1.2-inch sensor and a pixel size of 2.9 micrometer, which help to significantly improve sensitivity. This in turn improves the camera's output in extremely low lighting conditions or even in absolute darkness. Ecam82 CUO AGX also comes with superior near-infrared sensitivity at both 850nm and 940nm, which makes it suitable for night vision applications. Further, this camera's large sensor size with its high resolution of 8 megapixels makes it capable of capturing images with superior clarity and more details. And all these can be done while still streaming image data of 4K at 72 FPS and Full HD at 90 FPS. The NVIDIA AGX Orin camera comes with a CS mount lens, enabling it to utilize the full field of view offered by the IMX485 sensor. In addition, this is a multi-camera solution equipping product developers to build an embedded vision system to connect up to 6 cameras to a single Jetson AGX Orin board. With the processor offering a maximum performance of 275 tops, this can be done even for the most data-hungry camera applications. Some of the applications where Ecam82 CUO AGX would be a perfect fit are autonomous mobile robots like service robots, warehouse robots, and delivery robots, autonomous tractors and other agricultural vehicles, people detection and crowd analytics systems, and telehealth devices. Being an elite partner to NVIDIA, Econ Systems is one of the world's first in integrating cameras with Jetson AGX Orin. Apart from Ecam82 CUO AGX, Econ has also integrated its other camera modules with NVIDIA Jetson AGX Orin. Econ Systems will also support any necessary customization required to make the camera suitable for your end application. This will include customization of form factor, camera firmware, lens enclosure, image signal processor, camera interface, and more. To learn more about the product and buy its samples for evaluation, please visit the product page by clicking the link in the description or write to us at camerasolutions@econsystems.com.